Hi guys, so I'm excited to announce we have a new line of boxes that are meant to be gift boxes. Our new line is the BX220. It currently only comes in silver and gold. We are waiting on a white, but each box comes with a divider inside, like this, to put in some wine and then some crinkle paper or whatever filler you'd like, and then whatever pieces or whatever memorial or event or just giving event that you are celebrating. So I'm going to show you guys how to build the BX220. It's pretty simple, but we just want to make it very easy for everybody, so we decided to do a DIY video. If you're interested in this item, our new catalog will be releasing on January 1st. Some of you may have gotten it in the mail already. If not, keep an eye out. Or if you don't get one, let your local manager know and they can send one over to you. No charge. So, if you're looking for this item in the catalog, the new catalog, it's going to be on page 133. Right here. These boxes are $13.50 by themselves, or if you buy 12, they go down, or I'm sorry, 5, they go down to $12 each. So, not too bad, definitely a good gifting item. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the how to build this. So each box is gonna come in a package like this. Comes in in a pack. Additionally, each box will come with a divider. If for some reason yours doesn't, feel free to contact us and we can always get you one. You are going to fold up the dividers, get their lips going. Basically what it's going to do is it's going to sit up against the box on here and then give you space on either side, your choice, for your wine bottle. If you don't want to have a divider, you're free to build the box without it. So, to make sure that your box stays together, we have 4 different stickies that you have to unpeel and apply the adhesive to the other sides. The magnets on the front part are not going to hold the box together by themselves. It's just there to hold the lip closed. So, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Get the lid out of the way. So you can see it folds out like this. Really simple. You just have to make sure you remove these 4 tabs. Otherwise, your box will not stay together. So, easy peasy to pull these tabs off. Go away. Make sure you apply some pressure where the box should be connecting, which is going to be the 4 corners in that triangle area. You can see it's pretty sturdy. You could rip it back down, but there's no real reason to do that. Flip it over. Make sure your magnets actually stay connected to your box. I recommend giving the box lid a good tilt in, go a little, don't push it all, don't force it, but just push it down to where you get pressure a little bit past, a straight angle. You're gonna take an angle, 75-degree angle, and then it should go onto your box really easy. Now, as you can see, this box is pretty sturdy. You can't get it to open, but again, it's not necessarily what you're going to be using the support. Now, if you wanted to make sure the box is not going to open at all, because maybe you were traveling with it or something, what I recommend doing is tying a lovely bow across the front section, or across all, if you are good at that, to just give it a little extra pop. They can take the bow off, see the beautiful item you have inside, and become very excited to open what they're about to get. That is our how-to on our new BX220 or BX220. We are very excited to have this type of item in our line now, so please reach out to your local stores if you're interested in some